Welcome back to JDRInfotainment. I hope all are doing good by the grace of God. Okay, I hope you would have seen my other videos on how to get the license process for a modified vehicle. So in this video, I am going to show. Okay, before that I have to put my seat belt, which is very important. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a demo on how to drive a modified vehicle, and also I'll be showing you the parts in this vehicle. Friends, okay, so let me show. Actually, cameraman, can you please? Okay, so this is the rod which I am talking. This is the modified one. Already this is an auto transmission car. When I say auto transmission, right, there is no clutch. You have only accelerator and brake. Okay, you can see this rod which is connected to the brake. Are you able to see the brake? This is the brake. Okay, and this is the accelerator. Maybe it may be dark. Okay, so what I'm doing, just see this. When I press this, okay, when I press this rod, okay, you can see the movement of the brake. That means this is the brake action. You got it? Okay, so now I am going to do acceleration. I am going to move this accelerator. 1 2 3. Are you able to see the movement? And you can hear the sound. Are you able to hear? Okay, just very simple. So this is how I used to drive. Maybe in a few minutes I'll be showing how I'll be driving. Okay, in US there are a lot of models which is authorized by government. There are a lot of models available. I think I don't remember, that name is Alamo Mobility in San Antonio. Okay, so in Chennai, don't go anywhere. It's only Srivari Shankar Engineering Works. He is doing an awesome job. It's also a good cause he is doing to this society. Okay guys, I'm going to start the driving. Okay, so first thing what I'm going to do is I am going to press the brake using my hand like we do with our leg. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to release this hand control brake. This is very important, especially the differently able person should always have this hand brake, which is very important. So now this is in neutral mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the driving mode. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this hand, I am going to use this left hand, then I am going to give slow action, press the acceleration. Okay, and one more thing, you can see something here, this is a knob. So whenever you want to turn left or right or anything like that, right, so since one hand will be busy, we cannot manage this with one hand. So what you have to have is, you have this knob which will be moving like this. So see how I am doing this, and it costs around more than it costs around 500, I think. Okay, so see how I'm driving, see how life is very easy. Oh my god, see how easily I'm turning. Okay, now I'm going to give acceleration. Okay,